Guys, I have a package in from Aliexpress. I just put this on here just so it protects information. Now, it is right now February the 20th. The U.S. Basically tariffs have already gone in effect by now. Already and before that, and I had other packages I was waiting on did not show up. I probably have to deal with that problem. Let's see what's in here. I kind of do know what's inside of here. A lot of little packages as is. I just won't throw the little. I will pull them out as is. I got little connectors. These are ones you put at the end of the computer, like Ethernet cables. These are Ethernet pieces I do need on hand because I'm going to chop a cable up later on in the future when I'm going to need to. I'm going to need to have them on. No, I don't buy a lot of junk. I have this. It's actually a little bit open on the one end. I'm curious if everything's in it. Oh, there it is. A lock picking set. I do have the other one. I just lost it. Comes with skeleton keys on it. Not skeleton keys, but regular keys. Didn't pay a whole lot for all this, actually. And yeah, I know I should buy US and all this, but frankly, some of us does not have the money, and it's gonna be the exact same thing on that on Amazon, anyways. Am I gonna still be buying from Aliexpress? Yes, because money issues, and also when my competitors or people who I'm dealing or stuff I have to deal with is on that site anyway. So here's this. These are little connectors. They're exactly the cable connectors I badly need. These are for the fans on my what is it, printers. I needed to have these on hand. A bunch of printers use them. And these are little end pieces. If you're wondering to go inside of here, I have the crimper too already. I have it for other ones. I use it ever so often when I need to. Otherwise, just put in a bag. I got this, which the little magnets on the back here do work. Not very much. They'll hold a little bit. But what this sucker does is hold two wires correctly together at the right distance, and you can solder them pretty easy. It's like hard plastic. I think it's silicone. It's like it's basically, it'll hold it together. Makes it a lot easier to deal with wires. Very simple. Otherwise, like and subscribe is just stuff I was buying. And I gotta learn how to lockpick. Yes, in the United States you can have a lockpick set, long as you don't pick what you don't own. If you're going to rob or steal, or you're picking someone's lock and it's not theirs, you could get in trouble. So the rule I have: do not pick what you do not own. That's the key. So if you're opening someone's house, you gotta know for a fact it is, or else you could go to jail. Because lockpicks could be considered in the United States as a felony. And that's the rule I go by. Basically, I won't open anyone's other stuff, only if I know 100%. 120% basic, beyond 100. So, these are only for that. Otherwise, guys have a great day. This is just packages I had ordered, and I have more stuff I have to order from them again. Otherwise, bye and see you next time.